What if your prompts had Git history, test suites, and an LLM grading every change? I built PromptOps to solve a problem I kept hitting. Prompt changes are invisible. You edit a system prompt, run it once, and guess whether it got better. PromptOps gives you version prompt files tracked in Git, Eval suites that run against any model, and an LLM-as-Judge score that compares two prompt versions on a rubric you define. The diff output tells you exactly which variant wins and why. The whole pipeline was generated by an autonomous multi-agent system I designed. Each agent handled a separate layer of the stack. To get started, clone the repo, drop your prompt files into the prompts directory, define your eval cases in a YAML file, then run PromptOps eval to score them. At diff v1 v2, and you get a side-by-side quality report with judge scores per criterion. Repo is linked below. I'm Ritik Patel on GitHub. Check the Issues tab if you want to contribute or request a model integration.